All right, so now the main thing is trying to, that's why I wanted help, and all I really need help with is seeing if this clear. If this don't clear what I'm thinking, I turn my dolly sideways, and that might lower me just a little bit. Let me see here. This is the proof in the pudding. It's pretty sturdy, but I don't want to bump it. More than enough room, more than enough room. See, you trust when Scotty say something. I did measuring though. I thought I should have had about 2 inches, 3 inches, so worked out. All right, so hopefully this thing is gonna clear. Through the door. That's what I'm shooting for. So I got a jack stand that's on 2 wheels back there. See if I can hammer that down. I don't know why that thing is cocking. Boy. Oh, I didn't unhook this one. Push it back. There we go. Always forget something, guys. All right. Sorry guys, see, I got that cover off, so I want to put the cover back on here. I got most of those bolts plated. I might have some old bolts off another rear end, but I was trying to get a posi set up on here. So I had to take that cover off to check the gears. But I think I'm still going to paint this rear end up. Just in case I never end up going with a posi, guys. All right. guy Bink showed up. He gonna help me push the frame around. He said he's willing to get dirty.
That's what I do, Rob.
Just push the back and I'm gonna pull the front.
Ready?
Yeah. Easier to guide that one with two people. This one ain't as bad. Scotty's Impala now.
Hit the Impala.
Scotty's Impala. All right. You want to push and I pull? Appreciate it.
Oh.
Man.
Yeah, it is. You want the car back in this?
Yeah, I think we're going to take that up to Billy Snap's, I think. Oh, yeah,
here we go.
Yeah, so. Hey, bro. Go so we can walk. You ain't never been up to Billy Snap's, huh? Yeah. You have to try them out one day.
Right out.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
No problem, bro.
All right. What you think?
Yep. It's gonna be nice.
Different.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. I just gotta flip her around and got my man Bink here today. He stopped by to check out the frame. See what he thinking. Yeah, I gotta flip her over, man.
Right. No, but that's good, man.
Yeah, I don't know if the top up here is painted. I'll paint that when I flip it, you know.
Right.
But I laid down and tried to get up in there some.
Right.
So I think I was on the ground when you stopped by that day. I was spraying, I was on the ground on that creeper rolling around.
Right.
Yeah.
Hope you can get up.
Yeah, but it's a nice looking color. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it is. I always like that color.
Really nice looking, and this ain't even the true color.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because that paint that I paid all that money for, that base coat, that's gonna be the true color. But when you look down,
it looks a little.
When you look in here, it looks different, man. I mean, it get bright and then it looks dark.
Right.
You know what I mean? You look at it certain ways it's lighter, and then other ways it's darker.
Yeah,
so.
like I said, it almost looks a little darker than the original.
Yeah.
Color, you know.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
nice though, nice.
Thanks.
Yes,
Yeah, so I'm gonna flip it tomorrow or the next day. Give it time to harden. It's hardened now because it's got hardener in that paint.
Right.
But I'm gonna just give it time to harden, and then, you know, I got these mats, and then I'm gonna cut some of these up and put them on the body, you know, the frame dolly, and make sure I don't scratch her up. But yeah, okay. Well, you like, you know.
Yeah. I like it. That's
You know, I done improved a little bit since I messed with the old Riviera there.
No.
I done.
No. You know, Ribby still, you know.
No, the ribby gonna be. That ain't what I'm saying. That ain't what I'm saying.
No, you said you improved, but
Yeah, I
I
improved.
thought it was, you know.
No, see, the thing is, like I was telling you, I think I painted your rear end the same color of your car and the gas tank.
Right.
The gas tank is the same color.
I think it's definitely, yeah.
Yeah, so I was just learning that you could paint over the Port 15, but that was years after I did like your frame and everything else. So that's what I'm saying. I improved starting on your car, but I done improved now where I'm like, man, I'm gonna paint this whole frame, you know.
Right.
It's still costly, but
Right, but
I don't know, like really it's only like the amount of paint I actually use, only like $100 worth of material on here. You know, probably $150 with the Port 15. So, you know, $150 to paint the frame, that ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? Better than paying somebody else to do it, I'll tell you that.
yeah, that's gonna look good.
Yeah, it's gonna be different, a little different. All right. One happy customer. All right. So, all right, guys, let the fun begin. We're ready to get started on this frame. I thought it would have been warmer outside where I could have been had this frame somewhat assembled. So I'm gonna move both of these frames back. I'll cover up the other one and get this frame in here where I can start assembling it, guys.